Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how we can get output using the JavaScript code. So there are multiple ways to do that. So this is the first way. Here you can see I have already selected that. Let me do it once again. Okay, and I am going to copy it in the editor here, and also you can see one thing here, we need demo. Okay, so what I will do, just I need here to put id with demo. So let me copy the demo and enter the code here. Okay, so now it will let me save this and run the same in the browser. Okay, I have opened this page here in the browser, and I will just hit the refresh button. Okay, and you can see here the output, right, 135. Okay, so this was the first way, and now we move to the second way to get the output. So let me copy this and paste it here, and here I do not need this. Okay, now let me refresh this, and once I will refresh this page, it will come as 44. Okay, so this is the second way. Here you can see it write the output in the web browser. Here you can see. Okay, and the third way is the alert. So in this way it will alert. Let me copy the code. Okay, in the third way, let me paste it here, and when I will save and hit the refresh button, then it will alert the same thing in the alert box. Okay, so you can see here, and I will click on OK, it will be disappeared. Okay, and in the same way we will go to the fourth way. So it is the way to console the output. So once I will hit here, so you set the copy, so you paste here and hit the refresh button. So you will not see anything right here because the output is not here, output is in the console. So for that we need to inspect the page, or we can hit the F12 button and go to the console. So here you can see output is coming as 68, right? You can see here addition of 52 plus 16 is 68. So that was the fourth way to get the output. Okay, so you can see here one more time. Okay, and in the same way I can change anything, like if we change here, do it 5 and save it again and hit the refresh. Okay, so you can see here now we got the 67 in the console. Okay, so let me close the console now, and now let's move to the next way to get the output. So the next way is the right click of a button. So let me again go to the browser, and now this is basically an HTML code, and this is an HTML code, and we need to put it here. Okay, so here you can see the button will be appeared in the browser, and this is the JavaScript code. Okay, which we already saw is the second way of the output, right? Document.write. So what we will just need to do, we need to hit the refresh button, right? You can see here the button, some of this, and once I will click on that, then that button will be replaced with the value, output value. Okay, and okay, now the last way to get the output is this. So now what I will do here, we need to again replace this with the new thing. Okay, and now this is not basically getting the output, this is basically like get the print out of a page using the JavaScript code. Okay, so I have saved this, and let me refresh this. Here you can see we got the button to print the whole page. Once I will click here, you can see like print preview is opened. So like this you can print. Okay, so this is the all way to get the output. Okay, in a using JavaScript code. So there are like 5 ways, but you can say it also the 6 way is also get to get the output. Okay, so that's all guys in this video. Okay, thank you for watching.